Your Firestick remote volume is not working. You press the button, but nothing happens. No sound control, no response, just frustration. Do not worry, this problem is very common and easy to fix. Step 1. Check remote batteries. Weak batteries can break volume control first. Even if other buttons work, volume may fail. Solution: remove the batteries, wait 10 seconds. Insert fresh alkaline batteries. Make sure they are placed correctly. Step 2. Restart your Firestick. Temporary glitches can stop volume control. Solution: go to Settings, then go to My Fire TV, then select Restart. Or unplug the Firestick, wait 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Step 3. Repair the remote. Sometimes the remote loses proper connection. Solution: press and hold the home button for 10 seconds. Wait until the remote reconnects. You will see a confirmation on screen. If not working, press and hold back button and right button for 10 seconds. Then pair again. Step 4. Check equipment control settings. Volume works through TV control, not Firestick directly. Solution: go to Settings, then go to Equipment Control, then go to Manage Equipment, then select TV. Choose Change TV. Follow on-screen setup again. Make sure correct TV brand is selected. Step 5. Reset the Firestick remote. This fixes deeper software issues. Solution: unplug your Firestick. Press and hold left button, menu button, and back button together for 12 seconds. Release the buttons. Wait 5 seconds. Remove batteries. Plug Firestick back in. Insert batteries again. Press home button to pair. Step 6. Check HDMI-CEC settings. Volume control depends on HDMI communication. Solution: go to Settings, then go to Display and Sounds, then select HDMI-CEC device control. Turn it on. Also check your TV settings. Enable CEC. It may be called AnyNet Plus, Bravia Sync, or Simplink. Step 7. Try another remote or app. This helps confirm if the remote is faulty. Solution: install Fire TV app on your phone. Use volume control from the app. If it works, your remote may be damaged. If your problem is still not fixed, comment below. I will reply within 1 hour. Like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes. Follow these steps, and your Firestick remote volume will work perfectly again.